Hi, we're on the Oceania Riviera and we're about to head out into the cool Alaska weather. We actually came up here to take a cruise so that we could see all these amazing glaciers and also beat the heat. So there's nothing like Alaska in the summer to do that. With that, I have a few travel hacks that I think you'll find invaluable. One is dress in layers. Like right now, I'm inside, I'm a little hot, but the minute we go outside, I'm probably going to be cold and layering even more. So I have my long sleeve shirt, I've got a windbreaker vest, I've got my scarf if I want to change up my look a little bit. I've got a few choices here, but you can never really do without too many scarves. I've got my gloves, I've got my binoculars. Very important, I have my battery pack. I know this one's a beast, but it will last for 4 days and cover 2 phones, so we don't have to worry about taking all those videos. You definitely need a battery pack. If it's really cold, I'll add an additional layer of a jacket. Got my backpack for sure, got my big jacket. I also have my raincoat, which I will pack into my backpack in case the weather turns even nastier. But right now, it's just a cool 45 and I think we're all set for the day.